Martial law refers to a circumstance where the government imposes direct military control in place of ordinary civil control over a country or a portion of a country. When martial law was declared, civil liberties and ordinary legal procedures are often suspended or severely restricted. Martial law was proclaimed on September 21, 1972. President Ferdinand E. Marcos placed the Philippines under martial law. The declaration issued under Proclamation 1081 suspended the civil rights and imposed military authority in the country. Marcos defended the declaration, stressing the need for extra powers to quell the rising wave of violence allegedly caused by communists. Marcos explained, citing the provisions from the Philippine Constitution, that martial law is a strategic approach to legally defend the Constitution and protect the welfare of the Filipino people from the dangerous threats posed by Muslim rebel groups and Christian vigilance that places national security at risk during that time.
Yes, I was born already during the martial law. My age is 21 years old. President Marcos declared martial law to reduce violence.
Against
Because
violence?
during the Marcos time, they have already bombing about the Plaza Miranda. That's why he declared the martial law to reduce the violence. Yes, I'm favor.
Why?
Because during the martial law, very peaceful. I think that is already negative effect to control the rights of the citizens people. Because during the martial law, we have no right to speech. They are the people under the government during the martial law. During the martial law, magandang martial law kasi yung hindi tayo sa mga crimes, iwas tayo sa mga crimes, yung kontrolado talaga ang panahon sa martial law. Pero yung iba naman na gumagawa ng masama, siyempre ayaw nila talaga yung mga martial law kasi wala talaga no freedom during the time of Marcos. Saka if you domestic before, patayin ka kagad. No question. Maraming during the time of Marcos sa martial law, maraming pinapatay na hindi talalaman. Tsaka wala ding may curfew hours din. Hindi ka na pwede during night time, hindi ka na pwede lalabas. Wala na kasi curfew. Under the military government, martial law is under military government. May curfew na. At least all the people during the martial law, nasa bahay ka na talaga, control ka talaga. At 10 o'clock in the evening, nasa loob ka na ng bahay. Kaya ang martial law naman maganda talaga kasi hindi katulad ngayon na mahirap ang panahon ngayon kaysa nung panahon. At saka during time ng Marcos, napakaganda ang panahon. Di mahal ang bilihin, kaktikim ka pa ng tinapay na Nutriban sa eskwelahan, may mga gatas na supply, maganda nung panahon talaga. Panahon ni Marcos, hindi pwede na maraming anak. Until 4 lang talaga ang anak. Control din. Hindi dadami ang sa Pilipinas. Kasi ayaw ni President Marcos na maraming anak. Kasi pag maraming anak, hindi mo na yan mapakain yung mga iba. Hindi mo na mapapag-aral yung mga bata. Kaya 4 lang talaga ang ni Marcos. Kaya maganda rin ang panahon ni Marcos. No. Never see. Only the news I see about the news that some people they killed during the martial law, they do abuse, but because the military talaga, yung iba namang military maraming abusado sa panahon ni Marcos, yung nila yung mga kapangyarihan nila pa sinasamantala. The situation during the martial law, on the time peaceful talaga, very peaceful the time during martial law. Kasi we are under the military regime. At saka yung mga tao na nasa kalsada, nag-iinuman, pagka alas 10 ng gabi, wala na yan, nasa loob na yan ng bahay. Saka walang mga magnanakaw masyado nung panahon. Takot sila.
through this activity, I have realized the importance of knowing our history. Our local history reflects the reality that our lives are shaped. It also shows or talks about the everyday struggles and triumphs of ordinary people. It allows us to connect the past with the present. So basically, knowing our history helps us direct our future.
The declaration of martial law by our former dictator president, Marcos, was a huge part of our country's history. We often hear varying opinions from the people who experienced the event and even from those who did not. According to Mrs. Lagutin, our interviewee, the declaration of martial law had bad sides but also had good sides. I have learned that even though it may seem bad on how our history books or our media portrays the declaration of martial law, I believe that it has done a lot of benefits to our country, especially during that time when the communism was very rampant in our country. Nonetheless, it was all part of our history, and I hope we will never forget about it. But I also hope it will never happen again in our country.
I can tell the difference during the martial law in today's situation. During the martial law, people do not have freedom and they are afraid of the government. But today, we've got our freedom and we can do whatever we wanted as long as we do not violate the law. Imagine if the pandemic happened during the martial law. I think the government would be able to control the situation more because the people will listen to them. Unlike today, people do not follow the health protocols strictly and there are COVID cases increasing each day.